Hello, this is Tommy. Today I'm in our factory and we will have an interview with our engineer Jack. He's going to show you how to use the solid surface oven. Hello Jack, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
So, could you please show everyone how to use our solid surface oven?
Yeah.
Let's start from the wire connection. So this machine is a 3-phase, right?
Yeah, this 3-phase. This is a 3-phase, 3-fire cables. And this is a neutral cables.
Okay.
Black cable. Yeah.
Okay. So when they make the connection, is there anything they need to care about?
Just be careful about the black cable. This is a neutral cable. Other cables has no sequence, just connect 3-phase.
Well.
Yeah, L1, L2, L3.
Oh, excellent. So let's move to the connection table. Could you please explain what is this button using for?
Yeah. On this panel, this is the emergency stop. For example,
Okay.
I click it.
Ah, okay.
It will stop.
So it's control for the general.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the temperature controller. The
Ah,
button.
okay.
This is for the fans. For the fans.
Ah, okay.
Cycle fan. Here. Cycle fan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this part. This indicator is the main power indicator.
Okay.
The 3 indicators are the 3-phase.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And how to open this cover?
It is not opened by hand. It is by foot.
Oh, this is excellent. Could you show us?
Just press.
Yeah. Why there are some smoke?
This is because the first time we used inside the rock wall. The cable is the rock wall.
The rock wall, oh, yeah.
Yeah, the first time it is not so dry. Inside it has a lot.
It's similar like wet.
Yeah.
So when the when the machine is new, so there's smoke.
Yeah, there's smoke.
Later on there's no, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's put the solid surface inside.
Okay. Place it on the table. Push it in and close this door.
Excellent. Okay, now we have heated the solid surface 20 minutes. As you can see, with 165 degree. And okay, now there's no more smoke because the rock wall is completely dried. Okay, let's open it. As you see, no more smoke. Yeah, it's already been soft. Let's thermoform it. Fine.抓紧。